Hey everyone, welcome to my BetterMe fitness app review. Check the description for links. BetterMe is a complete fitness solution perfect for weight loss, toning, or just a healthier lifestyle. No complex plans or pricey equipment needed. Designed for beginners and intermediate users, BetterMe personalizes your experience. A quick quiz about your goals and fitness level generates custom workout and meal plans. From quick 7-minute workouts to intense programs, BetterMe fits any schedule. Choose bodyweight, yoga, strength training, it's all here. Clear video demos and step-by-step guides ensure perfect form. The nutrition side is impressive too, with diverse meal plans and easy recipes. Vegan, keto, gluten-free, or balanced, you're covered. The shopping list generator makes meal prep a breeze. BetterMe also prioritizes mental well-being with guided meditations and breathing exercises. A built-in water tracker and step counter keep you motivated. I found the interface user-friendly and the features seamlessly integrated. Fitness, nutrition, and mindfulness, all in one easy-to-use app. The subscription might seem pricey, but the value is there. If you're looking for a versatile, beginner-friendly fitness companion, BetterMe is a great choice. Check the description for links to learn more or start today.